Tara, samahan niyo akong mag-unbox ng isang rare na Funko Pop. As you can see guys, this is Elle with cake. Elle is one of my favorite characters sa anime because he's intelligent and napaka-cool ang dating niya. The reason being, pareha kami ng initial. I like yung logo niya, which is yung letter L na parang Old English. So if you're familiar with the story of Death Note, you get to appreciate si L. This pop, guys, is one of the reasons why I kind of regret that I started Funko Pop a little bit later na, because this certain pop, guys, has a very high value na. So I'll be putting here somewhere yung screenshot ng Funko Pop kung ano yung current PPG nito ng L with cake. So I believe siguro dati sobrang baba lang ng parang retail price niya. So ngayon sobrang taas na. And shout out to Sir Romel for hooking me up with this and letting me have this pop for terms or in installment ko sa kanya. So thank you sir for helping me have one of my most sought after Funko Pops. And even guys, the whole set ng Death Note, lahat ng mga characters nila, as you can see here in the back, si Light, si Ryuk, kasi nga itong L na nakatayo siya, they all have high PPG na. And I like the theme of the box. Kuwang-kuwa na yung parang theme ng Death Note. Gusto ko din sana itong L na nakatayo and I wanted to complete the whole set sana. But like I said, sobrang mahapdi yung presyo na nila ngayon. Makes me wonder magkano kaya nabili ito dati, no? Maybe the owners who got to buy this in retail got this for way much lesser than its current selling price or current na PPG. So, since L is considered a grail Funko Pop, let's give it a case worthy for grail type Funko Pops. So, shout out kay Ma'am Catherine. On scene yan, I got this via auction sa kanya. You can see here guys, these are acrylic cases that were bidded out last time. So let's put in one of these. This is, like I said, a Funko Pop with a grail status, worthy of having a hard case for it to be protected. Let's slowly take him out of his current box. I'm sorry. I hope I don't get to damage the box itself. Out of the protector, this is what it looks on hand. It has a small, like this coloring here. But this is well understood is because matagal na tong sad thing is this is already volted. So we might not get one of these anymore. There you have it guys. L with cake. So once again, huge shout out to Sir Romel and Ma'am Catherine for all of this. So salamat guys sa pagsama. This has been Ligayno's channel. Start a hilig and let it be known. God bless everyone.